Yo, yo, yo! You guys hear me? Let's turn this down. What is good, chat? How is my chat doing? Put some W's in the chat if you guys can hear me. Pop you guys out, put you up here. Hell yeah, Chris in the chat. What's good, what's good? Alright, you guys can hear me? Good, 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 good. Glad to be back, guys. What is it today? Wednesday? Hump day. Hope you guys have been having a good trading week so far. If not, let's go over the reasons why you did not. If you guys, are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm here to help you guys on your trading journey in any way you may need it. So if you guys have any questions that you need answered, I can't answer them unless you ask them in the chat. So let's have a good, productive live stream. Does anyone have any like trades or anything that they want to talk about, or what? What have you guys been trading lately? Sajan, Kipster, Chris, Ibrahim, good to see you guys. Let's go to the poll in the chat. Start a poll. How do we do it? Start a poll. We'll do a poll. Let's see what we're doing. What pairs? Hey, we got Dr. Dollar in the chat. Everyone spam some freaking W's. Tickets booked. Hey, we got Dollar coming on August 10th, guys, to the LA meet and greet. Hell yeah. I told all you guys, you better pop out. Bro, I'm so fucking hype. That's actually huge. Shout out Dollar. Fuck yeah. On what pair? Dollar, that's hype, bro. Let me know. Text me where you're staying at or whatever. Like I said, you can obviously stay here, but there's the hotel right there. There's all those Airbnbs and shit. Gold. TJ. Another option, like I guess GU or something like that. Out of these pairs and stuff, guys, what have you guys been trading? And if I didn't get the exact pair that you what's it called, if it's not the exact pair that you trade, just what's like the closest to it? What you guys have been trading lately? Yeah, I swear to God, everyone's just killing gold. Yo, what up, my boy? Good to see you. Good to see you. I'm doing good. Chilling. Another night. Another night. Another night. Another freaking night. Gold kind of playing out. I saw it come down to this level earlier. I thought we'd get some sort of reaction off this fair value gap, which we did. Caught a nice sell today on gold. There we go. Good shit. Blew another account yesterday morning on US 30, reloaded it, but I took a break today to reflect and learn. Yeah, bro. With you blow an account, I'm telling you, take a step back, like go back and understand what you did wrong, so that obviously you won't do it again. But then also be able to like being able to identify the problem is the first step. If you just go and blow an account and you don't really know why you did it, if you don't know why, like, that you over traded or over risked or whatever it may be, you're never gonna freaking, you know what I'm saying? But make sure you guys all hit that like button. We will be doing a 25K challenge giveaway to someone in the chat. All you have to do is be here. So if you're here, that's good enough. So can I get a hell yeah? Put some W's in the chat, guys. I want to see who's here. I'll shout out the names. Damn, 73% all said gold. 73%, 20% to the GJ. We got some Naz. Crazy, bro. 70% said freaking gold. Yo, we got Anonymous in the building. LFX. What happened to Anonymous? I'm kidding. Hell yeah. I want to do some top-down analysis for you guys on the pair. So I guess we gotta go do gold first. That's what freaking everyone here is just trading. Ooh. All right. Let's start on gold. Yeah, let's start on gold. Why not? I'm not even. Oh my god, I'm dead. People are funny. All right, let's go over gold, guys. I'm gonna go out and do a top-down analysis. So I should go down and honestly let's just erase everything, remove all drawings, and let's go out to the. Oh shit. No, wait. When did I erase fucking? The fuck? Oh well. Well, SMAs aren't there. I just noticed. So I gotta go to indicators and add that bitch back. Be to Aquafina, baby. I forgot I have it saved. Alright, you guys don't know what levels I use the 850 and 200. Bada bing, bada boom. Alright, we're all good. Alright, guys, go back over to gold, do a top-down analysis. Go here, remove drawings. We can go to the daily time frame and see how it's been reacting the last couple of days. We're clearly in a bullish trend. Price has just been coming up. We have now kind of like a rejection showing you that, you know, buyers may be exhausted. We could get some sort of retracement right here. If we go to like the 4-hour time frame, you can see we've gotten some sort of like retracement, which, you know, once again, this on the 4-hour is that indecision candle on the daily. It's just reflected on different time frames. But it's a good retest. Here on the hourly, you can see that price once again had like a nice lows to take out, which, you know, if we go back and do our usual fib thing, we have retraced down into a discount to continue up. So it's not like price has to come back down. It's already come back down to discount, but I definitely would want to see price come down a little bit more. We are getting some sort of like reaction back up. So on the lower time frames, on the like the 15, I would look for like, you know, I mean, this would be ideal, is waiting for it to retrace all the way to here with like, you know, all this liquidity sitting like this. That would obviously be ideal. So we'll have to see. But that's on gold. For the 5-minute, same type of thing, which I'd be looking for a trend line break to come down, retest, and continue. And yeah. What do you guys think? We do that as a different poll. 77% of the chat. That is freaking crazy. Start a poll. All right, everyone here. Poll is started. What is your guys' anticipation for gold tonight during London session? Damn, GJ. All right, so far 82% says bullish, so I mean it's pretty inevitable. It's just because we did come and sweep that high, so we can go here, do this. Yeah, guys, I kind of like that on gold. Just yeah, we'll have to see. Want to do DJ next? Check out GJ. Daily similar thing where we can see where the impulse is. We're down here rejecting off the golden zone. Isn't the 62 the golden zone? Pretty sure. I was never like a big fib guy to take it for the trade. It's more of just, like I said, a good confluence to look for if price is in like a premium or a discount. But you can see here that we're definitely in a discount on that move. Go to the 4-hour time frame. You can see here that we did a heavy retracement after price was just flying for so long. The freaking yen was so bearish. So bearish. The GJ was flying. So we're finally getting the moves back down. The thing I'm trying to look out for is like, where is price likely to react off of? You can see here that down in this area is a good like previous level of, support / resistance. They got broken and retested. So we can come down here and see if we can get a touchdown here. But like I said, kind of far away. If we go on to like current price, because this is the 4-hour, nothing over here to the left. I guess like right below here. We took some liquidity just right in this area under these lows to then can distribute. And we're now finally back in this area and getting a good bullish move off of it. So, we don't want to buy just yet because obviously there's all these like little bullish moves up that have led to it going down. So you don't want to buy on the way up just for it to come back down. So you kind of need to go to like, once again, like the lower time frames, hourly, down to like the 15 and wait for some good structure where like, you're starting to see some more highs and lows and you're like, all right, where's price most likely going to go? You can go to the 15-minute, start looking at areas of demand and areas of liquidity, and go from there. So like you can see here that if we look left, this is the lows that needed to be taken out. You can see here they were taken out, form a nice little W that's come up, and now we've taken, highs above here. And we'll see what kind of happens. But like I said, price could definitely consolidate within here. But we're gonna wait for a retracement in either direction. I would go like this, not either direction, but bullish. I would mark up that level of demand and see if we can get some sort of like hold back down into here to continue up, because we got the liquidity grab over here to the left where this line is. We're now getting the bullish move above these highs. It's kind of broken structure. So now we're waiting for like just the slight retracement into like this demand zone to look for further longs. Where's my what's it called? Oh, there we go. What up, Mode? Sorry, I didn't say that. Yeah, Dr. Dollar was just here. I don't know if he's still here. And the realest baby, 155 pounds, but I'm the biggest baby. Guys, chat. I freaking hired a personal assistant for the next 2 months, which is I'm excited for. W's in the chat for that. W personal trainer. Put WPT. It's one of the guys who's gonna be like doing all like the phase guys and a lot of influencers around here in LA, so it'll be cool. It'll be cool for sure. I'm excited. Try to get clipped out with those phase guys, bro. They're being funny. They're kind of helping out LA right now. LA kind of died the last couple of years. Everyone went to Miami, and now because they're back here, I think Steve might come here and shit. Like it's starting to be a little bit better. Steiny, some of the Nuke boys and shit. So GJ guys, like I like this because if you think about it, we've been so bearish. Like I'm glad we got a liquidity grab. We formed a W that led to a break of structure. Nice little double bottom. Took liquidity in this area. So now we're kind of waiting for just the retracement to fill some of these fair value gaps to continue. You know what I'm saying? Shit, and up. Stanley is a cool crib in the hills. Yes, sir. Yeah. He seems like kind of a dickhead. I don't know why. I mean, it kind of comes off that way. I don't know. I don't know why. Who here has who here like would watch like the Nelk Boys and stuff? I used to watch the Nelk Boys all the time. Y'all see, I went to the Clout House. I went to the old Clout House. That shit was lit. Where the Nelk Boys moved into. Come on, gold. What's GA up to, chat? They said the Bank of Japan sold today. That's why all the yens are down. Wait, they said the Bank of Japan sold today. That's why all the yens are down. Oh, I have to look into that. I'll go look. Oh, that was yesterday. Yeah, the CPI. Yeah. You kind of said it weird. It was good to meet you and Ollie. You was a couple weeks ago. Hell yeah. Glad to have met you too, brother. Good to see you here. What if the yen goes down another 1,000? What do you mean if it goes down another 1,000? We started retracing already, but let's go over here to Forex Factory. Yeah, we had that CPI yesterday. I forgot. GBP CPI here. It came out better than expected, which is usually good for the currency, which is why price is going down. GJ would be going up if the yen was being bearish. That's the thing you guys really have to realize. It's vice versa. Like, you guys might think like, oh, bye-bye. No, it's opposite. CAD had a lot of news yesterday. Crazy. Let's go back up to today. Today we got some AUD. Oh, that already happened. Damn, came out a lot better than expected. Damn, so we have GBP CPI again at 11? So this is why it's important to look really close, because you can see here the usual impact is actual is less than the forecast is good for currency. So if the actual comes out less than expected, so you can see here that these are all the numbers that have come out, and if it's come out under it, that's actually been positive for it. So that's something to look out for. If we see a green number, that's actually positive for GBP, which would mean GJ buys. If it comes out red and is negative, it'll be the opposite. Does that make sense, chat? You guys have any questions about that? I'm here to explain. You don't. Don't do me that, bro. Guys, everyone right now in the chat, let me know what is your guys' favorite pair to trade. Everyone just type it. Everyone right now, there's 36 of you guys here. Everyone in the chat right now, what is it? Hell yeah. He has a positive view. Podcast with Alex G. If I could, bro. Honestly, I really haven't tried that hard to get him on. I maybe should try harder, but he's just really big, bro. I bet he's hard to get a hold of, you know. NQ and YM fire. I can see why you trap in futures. Gold, but lately Nas has been given. Fuck yeah. Gold, US30 and GJ. Yep. There we go. NLT Yates going crazy. You guys like the new setup or what? I'm gonna zoom back in. I was gonna zoom out the back, but I have to move my whole camera. Never mind. Never mind. Come on, more of you guys. What's your guys' been go-to pair has been? I'd say mine has been obviously gold. you know. If CPI is positive, would that determine whether GBP is bullish? Yeah, that's what I was talking about. So if GBP, once again, is coming out at 11, it's the claimant count change, whatever. So if it comes out, so you have to, so look a little deeper right here. Right now, it's saying that its forecast is 23.4 thousand, right? If any number comes up right here that's less than 23.4 thousand, that means that it's actually good for the currency, which would mean buys on GJ because it's GBP news. Where if it was yen, it would mean sells. Finally getting back on streams here or there since getting back into working. I've just been watching the vids after it's finished later on. But thank you for that at least, bro. We miss you. Hope to, glad to have you here. Anonymous, you still here? Yeah, look at GA, guys. Anyone like this? Anyone like this or what? Major time frame, you most of your trades. I like looking at the 4 hour, but then I usually take trades on the 15 5-minute. Like this one right here is a little 15 5-minute trade. I like it. Bro, that's so sick. Dr. Dollar's coming out here again, bro. I'm actually so hype. It's only like a month away. If we get a closure above the 8 SMA, guys, I'll be pretty, a lot more confident. Take the little buys, let it fly. GU starting to fly a little bit right here. DXY should be going down. Yep. Retracement should be going down. Gold should potentially be going up. But we'll wait for this candle closure. We have 2 minutes. Did you see what happened to Mamba? So tragic, bro. What do you think? I live right here. It's crazy. It's pretty funny. Like he wasn't that what's it called? He wasn't as like upset about it as I thought. Like it was more like funny for him. Not like funny because it was annoying. Like to him, it's annoying because he has to like go get all this new shit and be whatever. But like I don't know. You would think if someone got their Lamborghini stolen, they'd be a little bit more upset than how he was. He literally did not really care that much. It's pretty funny. That's like a different level of not giving a fuck. You're in? No, I'm not in. We're waiting for this closure on the 30-minute. Did they find his Lambo yet? Yes, they did. Yes, they did. Bro, dude, this looks good. Wait for a bottom wick, but We're at the 30-minute closure above, guys. What are your confirmations for this trade? Well, if you go to the hourly time frame, we had this big bullish impulse, and now it looks like we're in a retracement down. If we look left, we have the hourly lows right here that it already kind of stopped at. You go to lower time frame, and we kind of made like a double bottom here, swept liquidity, and now we had a big bullish closure back up above for the 30-minute. So like if, you know, basically now that we're creating a bottom wick on the 30-minute, when this flips, it goes bullish, like you guys can get in. If you guys like this trade, you guys can for sure get in at the flip. Because look how big this bottom wick is. You definitely should wait for like a bottom wick and then see if we can get the highs to break to go. So it goes back into the fib stuff, guys, about like, all right, if we go here and we understand, all right, what's the direction? You just fib up this low all the way up to the high it created. And you'll see here that we're kind of rejecting off. I mean, down here the 60%, but now we're trading back above the 50, where it looks like we formed like a double bottom to maybe continue up. So we'll have to see if price is going to hold it or what. USD CAD's consolidating. Wait for a little break or something. Let's see if we get the flip or what. What you guys think? Yo, we back. What's good, Alfonso? How you doing, bro? We'll have to see. This big stop loss too. But you also could do too, if you're confident in it, is if GA flips, instead of having your stop loss all the way below here, you could put it below the 30-minute lows and just take the 30-minute flip. Try to get like a quick 1-to-1. You know what I'm saying? Do something like this. Quick stops to break even, or you know, you can just even close a little scalp. That's if you get the flip. I like that move. Yes, sir. It's a little early. I don't really trade pre-session. I just am here to help you guys mark up trades, look for good price action, you know, do all that type of stuff. I'll have to see hourly. We shall have to see. Like I said, just playing off the hourly impulse. Yo, we got Lauren in the building. It was good. W's in the chat for Lauren. I don't know how you're not a mod yet. I'll have to mod you up. Good shit. What you up to, Lauren? Good morning to you out there in the UK. Hopefully it's another sunny day. Now you don't get too many of those. Guys, I didn't know, I knew London was known for being kind of cloudy and that type of stuff, but I didn't know it was like that. Not like just the London, but like UK and stuff. Bad closure on the 5-minute. Bad closure. That's why being patient is key. Damn, GU flying. DXY sinking. EU. Look at this little reverse head and shoulders too, key. Is she the one that sent you the foreign snacks? Yes, Laura's the one from the UK that sent me all the foreign candies and stuff. It was so fire. Shout out to her, she's a goat. That's why I said W's in the chat. She's a goat. Oh my god, wow. Y'all see this? You guys like this shit? Or what? Y'all be seeing this shit? Alright, that's on EU too. EU has a good little reverse head and shoulders. Go over to GJ. Gold. Gotta wait to see if we have volume to go break highs on GA. Gold. Gold, I'm looking for it to retrace, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is the bullish impulse leg. You know what I'm saying? Do they have bottled Red Bull in the UK? What? What the heck is bottled? I've seen that. How to participate in the giveaway? All you have to do is be here in the chat room showing love. Also in the Discord, and then usually at the end of the stream we'll just, you know, we'll just do it. I'm gonna be on here for another, you know, I don't know. Be on here for, you know, more for sure, but I'll have to see. But then we'll do the giveaway. Don't even practice. Ooh. Y'all ever just love ice water? Alright, Lauren, I have a question. I got a question. Because it's so cold in the UK, do y'all be putting ice in your drinks? Or is it too cold? Like, you don't even care? You know what I'm saying? One of the funny things about Italy in the north is if you go to the north of Italy, like, if you ask for freaking ice in your water, it's like frowned upon. It's not so weird. In California, it's like a thing, bro. Like, you need ice. They think it gets you sick. Isn't that crazy? They call it something. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So guys, as you can see, so guys, let's go over why GA is a good setup. Before I go into why GA is a setup, I need everyone right here to spam some W's in the chat. Spam some W's. Get the W's going. W's in the chat. More W's in the chat there, guys. More W's in the chat. I want to post it onto Instagram so we get more people to come through. Make sure you guys come over to the live. We're looking at a potential setup. Everyone, oh fuck, bro. What I was. There we go. There we go. Keep those W's in the chat, guys. Spam those W's. Coming over to the live stream, guys. We were looking at a potential setup. Everyone in the chat loving it. Come on over to the live stream for completely free, breaking down charts, looking at potential trade setups. Come join the team and potentially come catch some trades. See you in there. All right. Let's head into it, guys. But I'm gonna go and break down why I think GA is a good potential setup. So a lot of you guys asked like why, you know what I'm saying? And we'll go over it. Because you guys might not see it, but that doesn't mean that I don't see it. You know what I'm saying? So let's do it. Hold on. Let me post this so other people can come join the live. We'll break down some charts and then, you know what I'm saying? We'll go crazy from there. All right, let's break it down. So a lot of people look at it. We don't have ice in our drinks. We can ask for it when out in restaurants and stuff if wanted, but personally at home, taking a drink out of the fridge is cold enough for us here. No need. Yeah, see? That's what I'm saying. That's hilarious. Because I just drank some, dude, like, I got like, you guys can hear that? I'd be loving just like cold drinks and shit. Coming up. That should be a poll. We should do a poll about that. Alright, let's break it down. Why am I not promoting? He is. I don't know what you're talking about. Just not as much. He has so much different stuff. Kind of crazy. Alright, well, let's break down GA, guys. So if we go to the hourly time frame, guys, I always am one of those traders that look for the impulse leg, and then I'm still looking for that position as we kind of head down. So you can see here, guys, if we go to GA, oh shit. Do you see any sells on gold? I don't like gold right now because it's in the middle of two different areas because we're in a bullish like trend, right? And we've taken out lows and then had another bullish trend where I think we might retrace, but I don't want to just try and take like the short-term sells for the overall move. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm a risk reward trader. So you got to think, if I'm trying to go for 1 to 2s, 1 to 3s, what am I doing trying to sell right into these? You know what I'm saying? Like, barely a 1-to-1 type shit. You know what I'm saying? So I'd rather wait for an area where I can get more risk to reward. That's why I was looking at like other setups. Like, oh, you can see, you know, GJ kind of come back down to our area of interest. GA. What about GU? GU's already flying. Doesn't matter how cold it is, right? You're just icing it no matter what. All right, what about gold? Gold. Like gold to me right now, like I have this trend line up right here that's not close to, but even if it breaks it, like I said, it just should come down into this demand and have a reaction. Is guys, has the live skipped at all or anything? Lagged out or? Because it's been fine until like right now it's starting to see that we can't have anything. Should I make the background change colors? I wonder what that would look like. Shit could be lit. Is that just cracked out or what? Tell me if it's OD. I'll turn it off if it's too much. Don't turn this beat on if I ain't tripping on it. Just making love to this juice. I'm just sipping on it. Is it fine? He's having a rave. That's what I'm saying, bro. We going crazy. Come on. I'll have to go back down over here. Is it too much? I feel like it's too much. Bro, does it really just not do it because the plant's in the way? It's so annoying. Like what? Alright, let's get into it. Oh, I should have done the fucking, what am I doing? It should be purple. Is that purple color? Well, I'm not gonna get back up. For the person that said they were looking at gold cells, where would you be looking at? And then for GJ, is there any pairs on this side that you guys like? GA is kind of getting closer to entry, but because of this like slow movement or whatever, we would need to wait for like price to really break with a lot of volume, because you can see how small these candles are getting. It's showing that bullish, you know, the bulls are losing strength. So when there's no volume, it's harder to catch good trades. Because how are you going to get risk reward? How about you? GA. I mean on GU. News about to give volume? I know we have 13 minutes, so we'll wait to see. If any of you guys didn't know that, we have news in 13 minutes. Hey Luca, look at the chart. I think I am, bro. Yeah, I did a picture. 5 pips stock. Those little 5 pips on GU, it sounds so small because obviously if you have like a broker that has big spreads, it sucks, but that's really like having a 5 pip stop loss on GU is like the same as having a 10 pip on GJ, I swear. Or like an 8. Oh, there goes GA. GA had the 30-minute flip. 30-minute flip. Look at that volume. Nice liquidity grab, break, closure above showing the change of character, the retracement onto the break of this trend line to then continue and then have the 30-minute flip. The guys, at the end of the day, like the charts use different time frames as like a book, and the book is trying to, you know, like each chapter is going to show you the overall story, which once again, these different time frames were showing me that I thought price was going to come down, take liquidity. Once we got basically a change of character, bullish break a structure, we get a little bit of a retracement to then continue, break highs, and then, you know, head towards highs and overall hit TP. You know what I'm saying? If I have much less than I have right now, I probably retire forever still. Look for the exit. God damn, how ever come catch me? I'm trying to beat myself. Everybody mad at me for it. Hey, I hit the beat so hard they gave me a soft plus battery for it. I just had to take with 2. This car go fast. Money talk to Magic Johnson. All GPPs would be perfected. That's what I'm saying. Damn, guys, look at this freaking. Oh my gosh. I mean, come on. Can we get some W's in the chat for it? Can we get some W's in the chat, guys? For this GA position? You can't say that I didn't, you know, break it down. I don't trade pre-session like that, but I come on here on the stream to break it all down for you guys. If you guys agree with any of these setups, you guys take them. But we have news in 10 minutes, but I'm good. But yeah, and even if you didn't take it, guys, it's about learning. Like, if you guys can at least understand why I broke down this position and as to why it was a good position, then that's still a winning trade in my book, because you guys are still understanding how, you know, I would look to take this trade and how you could potentially go do it again. So if you guys weren't here and you want me to break it down kind of before, it's pretty simple, guys. You go to the hourly time frame. I came down to price. What has price been doing? Like, literally, look how simple price has just been breaking, retesting into the demand zones, heading up, especially here. This was a beautiful one, because this we had a little liquidity grab here that led to a huge break of structure, lows to take out here that tapped and freaking flew. But ultimately, it's still just on the higher time, it's breaking higher, low, all the way up, right? So I noticed that all of what we've been doing is making higher highs and higher lows, going all the way back up. So once I came down to tonight and I was looking at the hourly time frame, I considered drawing a fib from like here, from here to the highs. Why? Because I'm not going to fib up this whole move, because all we've been doing is just re-breaking highs. I'm fibbing up this point that took liquidity as like a false low to then lead to the break of structure, which is now this is the highest point, which is like how you draw a fib. But I saw price was already in a discount because we're below the 50%, right? I went to the lower time frames, like the 15-minute. All I kind of looked for was I saw that price still wanted to potentially go up, because we're overall still bullish, guys. Like, even though we're short-term selling right here, like a short-term little like kind of stalling out, this is still the overall move. Until we really are like breaking down here, really, it's still bullish. So understand it's still bullish, and this is just a retracement. I saw it kind of come down. It created one low right here, and then what happened right after it? It came down, swept it, took liquidity to have that bullish move up, closure above, and then have this kind of indecision candle. But basically, if you go to like the 5-minute, it was a break and retest of this trend line to then fly. We're getting the retracement now off this 50, which is kind of crazy, but still, the price action's there, guys. Just waiting for the liquidity grab, break a structure, tap, get in, and go. And then, you know, could have went stops to break even after TP, 1-1, whatever you may, however you want to like manage your position. But that 30-minute, once again, was also the confluence, guys. So not only on those, but on the 30-minute also, you could see this big move down, taking out lows over here also, to then once again liquidity grab, big bullish move up here, closure above, and then you know, I didn't just say to get in just because of the what's it called because of the liquidity grab or whatever. I said wait for the 30-minute closure, and then once you get the 30-minute break of highs, it'll have enough volume to push. So, you know, price was kind of stalling, and then right when we got the, you know, the push, it just kind of rocketed. Yo, Luca, we still playing Run It Up during TP sit or no? Damn, we could have. I mean, I'm not really been trying to play music on the streams, because this is my personal channel that, I mean, bro, look at all the videos we have on it, first off. But because if you play, you know, music on the streams, like copyrighted music, you could get copyright strikes, and it also doesn't help the streams even get out there. Like, I don't know if you ever noticed that, but like, if you're playing music, they don't want to push it out because they have to like pay the artist and whatever. Or if it's a stream like this that's like doesn't have copyrighted music, where they want to push it out. You know what I'm saying? If anyone here does not know who I am though, and has just found the YouTube under your recommended, first off, let me know. I'm super curious to see. But second off, make sure to hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, Luca.NoLimit, and keep coming and freaking running up with the gang. I feel like this, you know, we have such a good community here. A lot of you guys have been here for a while. You guys continue to show up. So keep showing up, guys. We'll keep just running shit. We're running shit, running shit, running shit. DXY bullish move. Reposado was it. DXY is rejecting off this demand level. Did the stream pause for a second? I think I accidentally just hit something. You guys still here? Put a W in the chat quick. If you're here. Put a W in the chat quick. I got some money on the way. All right, sweet. Thanks, guys. Have you guys been seeing any glitches or anything? What up, everyone? Good to see you guys also. As always. Beamed up off a beam. Bottega jeans, I ain't in. Earlier, but you're fine now? Chill. Bottega jeans, I ain't even wear them yet. Hey, I'm dropping in that bitch, they ain't pay me yet. Ah. It did freeze up like, what the fuck? First time here. Alright, everyone, NLT members, we have a first timer here. What should we do? We should have something that we do every time we have a new person here. Well, first off, welcome to the best community around. You found us in a good time. I was on, we're on our journey to the top. I'm live here at least like 3-4 times a week. Depends if I'm traveling or not. And it's completely free, bro. You come here, we break down charts. You agree with any of the setups, we hit DPs, all that type of stuff. But welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, all that type of stuff. W Luca, me, your crazy trader is here again. What's up, Sonny? I'm in a bans. Same time, first timer here. Dang, we got a Zivalag first timer also. We have to go in. What should we do, guys? I have to think about it. I was at the lab with Ollie in LA with you. Wait, I was at the lab with Ollie. What does that mean? Were you in the lab? Because the lab is in. The lab is in Miami, no? I was at the lab with Ollie in LA with you. I trade the yen. Will that impact the yen? If you trade like GJ, like the Great Pitch Time versus the yen, then yeah. But guys, let's head on over to GJ and let's pull up Forex Factory, guys. We have news in 2 minutes. With chart. Oh, you're at the. My bad. Yeah. You're at the recent LA event with Charted Yeah. Fire, bro. Good to have you here. Oh, you live in Miami, T? Good shit. All right, guys. So we have 57 seconds. Look at this. It's literally counting down. Look how scary. 51 seconds. Wait, do you? So, quick reminder, guys, if price comes out less than the 23,000 that is expected, that is a good sign for the currency, which means that it will increase in value, which should send the GBP pairs up. So you guys can see here, we're getting close to the demand zone, but here on GJ, hopefully we'll get like kind of a move down, and then I'm expecting this to come and potentially go and get this bullish move like here. So let's see what happens. We have like 1 minute until news, and let's see. So it's pending. Here, we'll do this. It's time. All right. So, oh, wow. All right, guys. So it came out negative. So it came out more than expected, which is actually negative for the yen, which I actually don't want to be taking buy positions. We actually want to be looking for potential reversal patterns. So this is what I was looking at first, but now what I probably would look for is some type of liquidation move up here to then potentially move down due to the news coming out negative. Because you guys got to understand that we are on GJ. So if we're on GJ and news comes out negative for the pound, that means the yen should be increased in value versus the pound, which would send GJ down. So that's on GJ. We can head on over to GA, which is still kind of going bullish right now. GU, but I'm not just going to sell off rip. There's obviously not been that big of a release because there hasn't been that much movement. You know, it wasn't that scary. But yeah, we'll have to wait to see. Very interesting. Shit's loading again. Can you guys put some W's in the chat again? If y'all hearing me, y'all need to engage. More W's. I always this wrong. More W's. I mean, I tell you every time to come join the stream, and you guys still, for some reason, still don't come through. Look at here. Everyone here absolutely loving it. You're the only one that keeps missing out. If you want to come catch bangers for completely free, bro, come on. Simple setup. Liquidity grab. We gotta, you know, change the character here. Bullish will change the character. Took like the 30-minute flip. This is a 50-minute time frame, but absolutely flying now. Chat loving it. Stop missing out on the absolute sauce, guys. Come on now. I'm gonna shoot my shot to Jason Tatum in it. Who's your guys' favorite streamer? It better be me, bro. Whatever the streamers are there. Oh, I guess there's we got it's Dollar and Ollie. So if you say either of them, that's fine. But if you say anyone besides Dollar or Ollie, then I'm gonna call Cap. That's the only other two people I'd be okay with you. Okay with you saying. Right. Big dubs. Big watch. Or no, big rock in my watch. And we put extensions in all of the Glocks. 100 shots. 100 shots. How the fuck you miss a whole 100 shots? You ain't welcome at my trap if you don't shop. If you gonna come through that back door, you better knock. They be saying they waiting for this gangster shit to drop. Bro, who loves Young Dolph? R.I.P. My pinky ring, extra large. Foreigns all in the garage. I remember my first menage. I'm toying Britney. I'm shining for diamonds at Tiffany's. Damn, guys, I'm not gonna lie. Because I'm not gonna, I would never, because, come on now. Wait, guys, is the stream lagging right now? Chat? Guys, look at that setup. Can you guys hear me? So I want to write this out. I want to send this to Telegram and Discord because I actually really like this one. I'm really sending this into the free chat. If you guys are not in the free chat, I'll do this. Oh, hold on, let me type this on my phone. I'm typing this to my free chat, guys, because this is a good setup. You guys will explain why I'm doing this in a second. All right. Make sure all y'all are in the Discord too. But I just sent this out into the free channel, guys. You guys see that? So read this real quick and then we'll go over it. Yo, what up, Cam? All right, if you guys are here with me, put some W's in the chat. My bad. We'll have to see. My brain was hurting for a second. I just really like the setup because of that fake out. Like I know for a fact if we go over to like GA and EU and all these, they're all going to be selling off. GJ hasn't sold off yet, but GU has the best. Just remember, guys, we took out Asia highs. We have the fundamentals in our favor as well as equal lows sitting right here. Like, it's a pretty good freaking setup. I'm gonna shoot my freaking shot till Jason Tatum in it. Do it up in here. What y'all think? Where the frick's my thing? Air button. Yeah. I treat you just like the plug. Don't respond if that shit garbage. Bro, where the frick? What pair is that? GPUSD. Huh, it's super weird. Yeah, I guess that could cause some lagging. Still for some. Buys on gold looking nice. Well, let me check it. You said buys looking good on gold? Where at? Like holding this trend line? Oh, 5 minute. You call it if someone's Porsche needs a good one. I'm dead. Gold buys look decent. I feel like it's a little risky, but I mean, I like how it's holding the 50 MA. It just took out this low. Not bad, not bad. It's back on. What's GU doing? GJ still hasn't done that. Gold's taking off. Good call. That's why Lauren's the GOAT, guys. Tap in. Y'all can still get in if you want to. It's not, it's not that far in profit. Could retrace too. Ooh, GA, wow. So we need GU to do what GA's doing, bro. Come on now. Alright, this is what's gonna happen. DXY is gonna sell down here, hold here, or maybe even liquidity grab, and buy up. When that happens, the inverse is gonna happen on GU. GU is gonna go up a little bit, like this, and then sell the frick off to the equal lows. Any courses from you? No, I've actually never sold a course. I've never sold a course. I kind of want to make one, not like once again to sell it to make money or whatever, but genuinely because I think I have a good like A through Z plan on a good strategy that you guys can follow. Because I look for basically like the same 3 things. I look for like supply and demand setups with like lows to take out to tap into them. I look for manipulated liquidity grab supply and demand setups, and the third setup I look for is Asian session liquidity, which is literally this right here. So this is one of my 3 entry criterias. So it's like if I had a, it's like people could replicate it. Wee! There she goes. Let's go. Does anyone have any questions about this setup or anything? What do you mean by Asian session liquidity? I'm so glad you asked, sir. So why do you think I have these things on here that says Asian session and that says New York session, it says London session? Because sessions opens and stuff when like the banks are open, each session creates its own like liquidity high and low. So you could see here that it's literally showing us the high and the low that was created during the Asia session, during the open, and this is the close, obviously. A lot of the time you could get moves by, you know, like price will use the lows and highs as magnets to just take liquidity, go, and then distribute in the other direction. I have a video on it about it on my YouTube. If you want to learn more about it, you know. But it's a pretty good setup. I see it happen a lot of the time, and that, you know, that's why it's one of my 3 entry criterias. There she goes. Does that make sense, guys? Do you guys think that you're freaking learning stuff tonight? What do you guys think? You guys think you guys are having a good, productive night? Damn, this is killer. Come on, guys. Explain this to the freaking T. Can we get some W's in the chat for this one? That's like two for 2 tonight on both the setups. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Right to the lows. Come on now. Spam those W's. We're not going anywhere until I see those W's in the chat. We still have these lows to take out, guys. I still think we're gonna come down a little bit more. Oh, boom, there we go. We hit it right when I said that. Right when I said that. Come on now. That was G. That was totally G. Yeah, keep those W's coming, guys. I'm gonna take a quick video. But guys, explain to the T using okay, well, let's break it all down, guys, because once again, we used fundamentals for it. We saw that price came out negative on Forex Factor. We knew that that was coming out negative for GBP, which means that the yen was going to increase. I mean, not the yen, the dollar was going to increase. So what did I say? What did I say? We're going to get a pullback into here and then have, what's it called? The DXY take off, where then we headed back over to GU, and the inverse is happening where we took out the highs and distributed right to the low. So keep spamming those W's, guys. I said to explain that real quick, but keep spamming those W's. Don't stop. Don't stop. Go to the 15. Oh, wow. Just sinking. All right, sorry, I wasn't even taking the video. All right, now send those W's in the chat. 2 for 2 on the night. Oh my gosh. Asia let eight. This. Oh my god. This kind of retarded. 2 for 2 on the night, guys. Classic Asian session liquidity grab on GU with fundamentals backing up our bias. Come aim for these equal lows. Whole chat loving it, guys. Once again, 2 for 2 on the night. If you guys are not part of the live streams, guys, this is the time to come in, guys. Come on. Stop missing out. Damn, every time I take the video, the chat pauses. Keep spamming those W's, guys. I hate taking a video and the chat pauses. It looks like there's no one here. Everyone spam those W's in the chat. Real quick, it's all I ask from you. I come here, I break it down for you. All I ask is you pay me in W's. That's all I ask is you pay me in some W's. Two for 2 on the night, guys. Look at this. Simple Asian session liquidity grab on G with fundamentals backing our bias for these, you know, and then we aim for the Asia lows. Easy set. Oh my god. Well, now I just sound retarded. No, I'm kidding. It's all good. I appreciate you guys. Pretty textbook if you ask me. Yeah, I know. We rinse and repeat these types of setups all the time. If you guys want to learn how to take these setups, you know where to go. Holla at your boy. That's a 15. I should do it on the 5. $41s. Yeah, I love seeing those 41s in the chat. What a good way to spend our Wednesday. You feel me? Easy, guys. Pull up in that, yeah. Pull up in that brand new Beamer, baby. Yeah. Bro, what the fuck just happened? Is the entry at the bearish candle always? Well, it's like whatever's the break. If you're bearish, then yeah, it's at the 5-minute bearish low. If we're bullish, then we look for like the bearish 5-minute high, etc. It's way better. I've written out this thing. I'm sending an update on GU to the chat, but it erased. Update on GU. How do you guys feel about the setup? Does anyone have any questions about it? How long you be live for, Luca? Not that much longer, honestly. Up on YouTube. My first time. This is your first time here, the man? Well, welcome. I don't know where else you'd want to be, but I could tell you this is the place to be. Bro, we actually absolutely killed it. Let me send this update in here. Boom. All right, now can you get some W's in the chat, guys? Damn, this is dumping. Yo, what's up, Jeremiah? What is up, Eric? Good to see you, brother. How are you? Dude, we are dumping. We're gonna put some W's in the chat, guys. I'm gonna wrap it up here in a second, but how much more we could kind of go over. But bro, absolutely just slaughtered is all I'll say. Oh my god. Absolute slaughterhouse. Absolute slaughterhouse. Guys, when you have fundamentals plus just it matched with our setup, easy. Put up in that, yeah. Go to a trader, man. First time here. Just love how it's teaching and also making money with everyone. Thank you, Jonah. I appreciate it. Guys, if it's your first time here, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, all that good stuff. But before that, I also would love some more W's in the chat. I'm gonna take a video here, guys. I mean, this was a textbook setup, honestly. You trade Asia session or New York session? I trade London and New York. That's why I'm gonna go to bed after. And not go to bed, but get off after this. I usually stay up for a little bit of it. Stay up for London for a little bit. Take their gold trade, then wake up and do NAS. Alright guys, look at price just absolutely dumping. I explained this to the T2 with the Asia session liquidity matched up with the fundamentals. So let's go over here, guys. W's in the chat. Running it up once again. Oh. There we go. There we go. Spam those W's. Two for two on setups tonight, guys. GU absolutely bleeding. Textbook setup with the Asian session liquidity grab with fundamentals backing up our bias. We can go over here. We had GBP news coming out that backed up our setup. You can see people here. Oh my god, absolutely just falling off the screen. People here in the chat absolutely going crazy. Oh, now it's stalling. Over here. People in there. People here in the chat going absolutely crazy. W in the chat. Everyone here making money. If you want to learn, bro, you know who to come to. Guys, you guys aren't. It paused it. I need more W's. That's all I ask, guys. Come on. It always pauses right when I take the video. Uno mas. All right, there we go. There's the W's I asked for, guys. Right when I stopped taking the video, you guys start doing it. 2 for 2 on streams tonight, guys. GU textbook setup with the Asian Session liquidity grab with fundamentals back in our bias. Everyone in the chat absolutely loving it. When we come over here, you can see we had GBP news coming out. Came out negative, which came out actually bearish for GBP. So we looked for shorts on GU with our Asian Session liquidity grab, backing up our fundamental bias. But you can see here we're absolutely falling off the page called live. Everyone in the chat absolutely loving it. If you want to learn, you know who to come to, guys. Once again, completely for free on YouTube. 3 times a week, every single time. Absolutely, look at this, jumping off the page. Let's go. It's actually crazy how textbook that was. Pulled a brand new Beamer, baby. Did you ever get back in the chair? Is that pressuring your luck? No, yeah, that's just pressuring it. How many of us said bearish on the pull? Well, look, everyone said bullish on gold, but I think gold is going bullish. Damn, look at look at Lauren's setup. That was so gangster. That was a gangster ass setup. Just trend line, bank. Luke, is your session from Sonar Lab? Yeah, Sonar Lab sessions. Sonar Lab sessions. Still dumping is crazy. Still dumping is absolutely crazy, guys. You can see here GU is now sitting at a 1 to 3 risk to reward. Simply just using fundamentals mixed with our usual patterns, looking for Asian session liquidity to be taken out, with our bias, which was bearish, to then come distribute down. You can see here just textbook setup. Congrats to everyone who took it. We're gonna end the I'm gonna end the stream there. Can't really end on a better note. So I appreciate everyone who came through. If you guys want to learn more or join VIP, all that good stuff, come and join the team, guys. This is the link. I'm gonna send it right now into the chat. Boom, boom, boom. You guys can click the link right there and go crazy. Come join, guys. I definitely recommend to join. I mean, at least the VIP, but you know, this is a really good price, especially if you go use code fourth or trade. You can go use either of them. I still have them up, but you can go use that discount to come and join. You'll get a good discount to come and join, you know, both rooms if you want. You know what I'm saying? Because it's basically almost the same prices like this. So go use that discount. I appreciate you guys. Y'all are the best. I hope you guys had a good start to your trading week. I hope you finish off strong. I think I'm gonna do the giveaway on Instagram. So if you guys want to do the giveaway, head on over to my Instagram right now. Oh fuck, what was that? Head on over to my Instagram right now, where we're gonna do the giveaway. It's still gonna be in Discord, so it's like the same shit. But I want everyone to go over there, as well as make sure you guys like on my post, comment, all that good stuff. Are you here tomorrow? Yeah, I probably will be live here tomorrow, guys. So make sure you're subscribed and also turn your notifications on so you do get alerted when I go live. But head on over to my YouTube, guys. Or my Instagram. I'll see you guys there in a second. And yeah, that's about it. Appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys there. Peace out, gang. Doses, doses, doses.